Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I've got another Mini Lock Monday. This is a Masterlock number 7. I might have to call it Hand Cramp Monday because it's so hard for me to hold this little guy. But because he's so small, I'm going to zoom in. And usually when I do that, it's hard to stay in frame, or I don't pay attention to where I'm at, so I kind of go out of frame. So let's make sure that I stay zoomed in, locked in here. All right. Down the row. Four. And 1. So just coming, I went down the row, kind of gave them all a little tick, and came back up the row, and then I lost it. Oh, but it stayed. Oh, it didn't unlock. Oh, I thought I lost it. Luckily it didn't snap all the way back. So that's the Masterlock number 7. And since that was fairly quick, I have another little mini lock here. This is an Eagle. It's a little wafer lock. Let's give this one a little go here. See how we can. Okay. A little bit of a balancing act. Make sure that I'm in frame here. Just gonna go through and try to find those wafers. And they just take little pushes on those wafers, and they're kind of soft feeling, and then boom. So each wafer, you get a soft little slide, and then it stops, slide, and then it stops. Really only felt like 3 wafers that I touched and it came open. So that is the Eagle wafer lock. I'm not sure how old this thing is. It looks old. Looks like it might be from the 50s or so. And that's it. So thank you for stopping by for another Mini Lock Monday. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day.